Ighodalo. 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 Oh, this will be voided. Voted twice. Two different people, yeah. Ighodalo. 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 Yeah. Ighodalo. Yes. Ighodalo. 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 I think. What do you think? I think it's fine. It's okay. So it's been voided because it's gone out. Ighodalo. Ighodalo.
The chief returning officer. Count him. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 votes voided. Ighodalo, 1 first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 230. Microphone now find its way to another member.
I thought I would escape. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359, 360, 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370, 371, 372, 373, 374, 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380, 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410, 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 420, 421, 419, 420, 421, 422, 423, 424, 425, 426, 427, 428, 429, 430, 431, 432, 433, 434, 435, 436, 437, 438, 439, 450, 440, 441, 442, 443, 444, 445, 446, 447, 448, 449, 450, 451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456, 457, 458, 459, 460, 461, 462, 463, 464, 465, 466, 467, 468, 469, 470, 471, 472, 473, 474, 475, 476, 477, 478, 479, 480, 481, 482, 483, 484, 485, 486, 487, 488, 489, 490, 491, 492, 493, 494, 495, 496, 497, 498, 499, 500. Okay. 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520, 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530, 531, 532, 533, 534, 535, 536, 537, 538, 539, 540. 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550, 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570, 571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577.
So 577 votes. Number 4, Al Osaru Osaze Odayawu scored 0 votes. Number 5, Felix Akabwe also scored 0 votes. Number 6, Martin Uhomobihi scored also 0 votes. Number 7, Obede Hamo Omorege withdrew. Number 8, Omosede Gabriela Igbenidion, she also withdrew. While number 9, Mr. Philip Shaibu, scored 1 vote. Omori Audrey Abosede Aduni Adiza to Adiza scored 0 votes. Total number of void votes is 06. I therefore declared Asue Ighodalo as the winner of just concluded primaries today with a total vote of 577. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Asue Ighodalo, Sama we got for us. Chinaro, I've been a light. All that thing with the missile. Therefore, I hereby return elected as the candidate for the upcoming governorship election in Edo State. Congratulations, my brother.
Congratulations, Asue Ighodalo.
PDP! PDP! Power to the people!
Of our great party, and I can't thank you all enough. I can't. The distinguished delegates, my delegates, our delegates, distinguished members of the People's Democratic Party, distinguished guests, Mr. Speaker, First Lady, members of the House, commissioners. I'm actually totally humbled, truly humbled. I thank my family, my wife Ifeanyiwa, and my daughter, Omehi, my sister, Amiahi, my brother, Itwa, my friends, including a certain guy called Boye. I thank the good people of Edo State. Last 4 months, I've got to even meet them more. Resilient people, brilliant people, hardworking, visionary, focused, willing to move our state into prosperity. I'm only a tool in this process, and I promise you all that I will be a useful tool in this process. Edo State, by God's grace, will move from where Godwin Obaseki has carried us to the next level. I'd like to thank Governor Obaseki for the wonderful work he has done in the last 7.5 years. I know that in a year or two, people will keep talking about Obaseki. We all haven't seen the value of the work he has done. But he's like a builder who's building the foundation for a 100-story building. I thank him. And I thank his wife, Mrs. Obaseki, for supporting him tremendously and giving him the strength to go through the vicissitudes of the last 7.5 years. No man is perfect, so we all will repair and work on each other's mistakes. I promise all the good people of Edo State, in Edo State, in Nigeria, in the diaspora, that I will work tirelessly for our state. I will assemble a group of young men, women, older, middle-aged, the best hands possible to move our state to the next level. And I promise you all that I will give you my all. It's been a long day. We've all traveled long distances, but I will have the opportunity to personally thank each and every one of you. The same way I went through the local governments and the wards, I will come back. I will thank you, and then we'll plan how we're going to together move Edo State to the next level. It's all of us from the ward level. We'll all say what we need, what we must do. We'll discuss it, we'll plan it together, and we'll move to the next level. I thank everybody that has been involved in this process. I see my party chairman, I see our ward executives. I thank the chairman of the party in the state, who's worked really hard, and all the members of the planning committee. I know it wasn't easy, but I thank everyone. I thank you all. Above all, I thank God Almighty, who has made this possible. 6 months ago, everybody would have thought, you must be smoking something. But see where we are today. I had a good team, a great team of young men and women who are 100% dedicated to me, and I thank them most sincerely. From the bottom of my heart, I thank them. Today is my sister, this is Ihen's birthday. Happy birthday. I'm glad I could have given you this as a birthday present. And before I sit, I thank my parents, Jeremiah Agado and Asue Ighodalo, for making me who I am. Thank you.